Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the survival teleportation machine I showed you in the earlier video. And this is the resources that you'll need. I recommend pausing the video right now, but I'm just going to tell it out to you anyway. So you have the observer, 1 observer, 7 kelp, 1 stone button, 3 redstone dust, 57 light blue wool. It doesn't have to be just light blue wool, it can be any block you wish. 2 redstone comparators, 2 water buckets, 1 redstone repeater, 2 white stained glass, 1 ender pearl, and 6 ladders. Okay, so the first step is super easy and simple. All you have to do is just build up and break the block below, just like this. So the next step is to go behind the block, place a block above, place a block under you, go forward 3 and place 3 blocks there, and then go back 1 and place 2 blocks to your left, like this, and then place 2 blocks right here. Okay, now the next step is to add the redstone bits. So what you do is you get your redstone dust, place 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here, and that'll be all your redstone dust for the video. And you place your comparator facing this way, right here, and then you place your comparator facing this way, right here. Then place your repeater like this, facing this way, right here. Okay, the next step is to grab your button and place it right here on your first block. Go over here, crouch down, and place your observer like this. And then you also want to add a dispenser facing forward, so that means you'd have to place it like facing this way. And after that, you go to the bottom left area and place your soul sand. Now, this is a little bit tricky, but the soul sand, all around it, the 4 parts, are where you're supposed to place your light blue wool. Don't place them here, you'll run out of blocks that way. Place them right here. So you go up 8 blocks. See? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you do it for every single one. Like that. And yeah. Okay. The next step is to fly up. Well, if you can fly up, I'm not sure if you can. But just come up here and place 1 water bucket. Then walk in and place all of the kelp, and then you break it. This will cause your bubble vader to work. Also, in the back, replace the back 2 front blocks right here with glass, with your 2 glass. Okay, the next step is to go over here, come to the back, and place 7 blocks of wool out from the bottom glass block. Now, once you get to the very edge here, you place 8 blocks along this side. And you go to the other side and do the same thing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Also, add your second water bucket in here, right here, at the very edge of the system. You can quickly close it up, and it should go to the very end. Okay? Alright, the last step is to grab your 6 ladders and place them like this up here, and now your system is complete. So if I just go up with the ender pearl that you have, crouch down, look forward, then it'll work. Oh, sorry. I forgot a crucial step. This is really important. So, once your water bucket is emptied, here, I need to get an empty water bucket. Place it in this dispenser. Okay? So place your empty water bucket, just one, in this dispenser. So now, it'll be ready, on the go. Hit the button, it goes down, I get teleported, and it all works. That is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope it'll be useful in your Minecraft world. Consider liking and subscribing, and see you later.